Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
A public meeting was held on the 22nd of August 2022 at Mawkheiñ village under Mawkheiñ constituency, where a clarification was made to the people by concerned authorities on the recent government notification on the state's Fertilizer Policy 2022. The Minister in charge of Agriculture, Bante Lingdo, and MLA of Sora, Gavin Millim, were present during the meeting. Others who were present included officials of the Directorate of Horticulture and Agriculture, Government of Meghalaya, the Secretary of the Joint Action Committee of Relom Farmers' Grievances and Redressal Forum, Agent Starkur Kalang, besides others.
Dana baram palaki dawas bo habalya phet wachi temen ini star bapaya karam de ibalat daryo ijngai panshu khang saya ki dawas bo obslam shu ba perthaikan wai ta y khelle biang ya ki phai man wan ra biang ya ki da wai ta ching sham phang ba ching ba kle jo i men ta ki la dam no ti phai men ta sa chi sin mani ki no ra ka cha biang kan sa pengan Ladangi letiria ki dawas bongin yo haki dorba kamtan Ni basyu pe tang ha mo bai Ban pe la ki thamula Nadu basor kakala notify la mi gun pasa umanga Uwe ong bale manga Sa uwe bale manga Niki pomtiria kasanya kakudla ikumbaya le drama
Clarifying on the state's Fertilizer Policy 2022, Bante Lingdo said that the state government has been working on bringing back the state fertilizer policy to the farming community that was stalled by the former MUA government while encouraging the use of organic fertilizers. It was during the 2 years lockdown that the grievances of farmers was discussed, and finally on the 9th of August 2022, an order was passed by the state government where fertilizers were again allowed to be used, and the same would be supplied by the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative to Mawkheiñ and sold at a reasonable retail rate, informed Lingdo.
Kata kajuja hapo kani ribi jungi hamtam dalari ko election nge baro yunong rap handrai unong rap jongi pat kat nang rap nang serdat kat nang pu nang du don bo ngi takti denam dai na ha tenai nga sukwa bodong yapi ban pen ken mau ya kipor ki blalai hangapor mga long MDC uara jar khat saw ki pai ba klajit ban uara jar khat pra ki pai ba klajit ban lek pat shreyen dorbar thawan jonga Meghalaya Assembly kami kejong ni. Ban ngakan mau harian bangla job habalek chegini Shillong iba Shillong mau bersyong ke Shillong tendroid ke mau beda ba tanggawai ke bakong santam kalau nak bertajung ikipai ba kadai kadawai baka sarkar keladapan pendu ban ngimyo asyuk ngiap ban syuthit na po yo po hat kat bayo na do usnam arajar khasa kata kadai ka baki kran jarum chaneng kat habai kendu kikiran dia kata ban nagaliang ngajonga ngajuang yaki long ki bayaisha ban ngin yakran dia kane ben pa ben namar baga sarkar ka pendu imat don ke Shillong Henry hadin ke jingya lenting ong pi warjar kapran warjar kat kendai warjar arpo arpuai ter hadu mentau senam arjar arpuai daki pautli ki meeting namar katkum katu ka order bala puli da i director ka babun ka jingekaran kalong bagani ka dawai kari ka bakta ya ka kot ka khia hadu kanu ka kta ka kot ka khia kinongrat kisuthu ni kata ban andrai ngau ngipi bau bapai uba bantai dor udai ubami naka constituency jong kinongrap haba kinongrap kiot kinam ngaban sngap hari ada sngap pat tangya ka constituency la jong kataru ni babakla dai nam dai na ngaban sngap lang ya kani kari ka bae jong ni borok bae kebadan kinongrap bakata na itu ipi kesimpor nga lai saus nem namar lai nakawai ka jaga sikawai ka jaga ngablai chawas kasil ngablai chari boy district ngablai cepo Jaida Hills ban skap ya kani bat kani kecing keren kalong kebabha bat kani kecing keren kalong mangila ban convince namar ngakwa banong siya ya pihang ni bat piru pitep ya kata ba upan ukubi upul kubi usosaw ngatray kami uria kram dawai sbo ulong pitong ha laban perni sibun la nam la na